everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make this cute little Christmas gift. This is perfect for teachers, friends, and family. Snow globe with a gift card. Really fun and festive. So you can get these snow globes at the Dollar Tree, $1.25. You can get the bag of snow as well. We got gift cards to Starbucks. Our teachers like that. And they have like a little container. Here we go. See the trees? They're $1.25. I'm gonna put 2 in each. And then they have these little characters. I had them left over from last year, like elf, snowman. So get whatever you want. So take apart your snow globe and you're gonna make sure you put it on the right side. So you wanna get your hot glue gun, and I wanna place these in the front because I wanna put the gift card behind it. So let's see if I can put all 3 on. So we'll do the tree and the elf. And just place them down. And I want to kind of see if it's going to fit. If not, we're just going to do 1 tree. So then, move this out the way. You want to fill up your little globe with some snow. Or if you want to do glitter or whatever floats your boat. I make a mess of this, it gets everywhere. Then you want to place your gift card in. So you kind of gotta wiggle it to make it fit. Turn it to the side. And then we want to see how our little friends fit. If we can add another tray. I think this one looks good with 1 tray. So then you put it on. You got it like this. Then you want to make sure you put the cap on. And then you can add some ribbon if you like. I wish I had some fancier ribbon, but this is all I had. So make sure you cut enough. And then you want to tie it. I am not a great bow tire, but you get fancier ribbon, or you can buy little bows and glue them to it. And there you go. You have a cute little gift. You have a gift card, and you just make it festive with these snow globes. So tell me what you think in the comments. I hope you like this video and it helped you make a cute little gift. Have a great day.